Hi Boomers! Today I'm going to do a small tool review from a piece of kit I got from China. We bought on Temu. You'll see how if it is actually bad or good. I have used it a bit. I'm not sure it works as supposed because it's a guide rail square. It's from ENJOYWOOD. It's the Mac 1 or the Mark 1, I guess. And if it fits the Makita rail, should also fit the Festool one, and I think or a couple other ones. As long as they have the same profile as the Makita and the Festool, it should fit. So I know Festool has one. What I'm going to test today as well is how square it is. So I'm going to do the five cut method to see how square this is, and then I'll talk a bit more about it. I also bought what do you call this? The distance measuring thing. So it has a measuring line here, or I use the stop block so you can line it up, see how and stuff for your cuts. The distance thing here is very good. I've used that a couple of times. The not micro adjustment, you can adjust it compared to how exact it is, so you can calibrate this. I don't think there's any method to calibrate how square it is, so it's either square or not, and that's what we're going to find out. I have a suspicion it might not be square, but also it could just be me being a bad woodworker. So let's get into this and see how it works. So it's fairly easy to install. You just slide it on. So when you tighten it up, there's no give to it. Whereas I know the Festool one has a clamp that pulls it to the side. This kind of presses it into the. So that's what we're going to do. Let's test this and see how square it is. Also has a small knob here, so you can adjust it out so it rests comfortably on this. Not everybody knows how the five cut method works. You can use it on table saws. It's probably better for table saws than it is for this thing here, because table saws you can calibrate and adjust. This is either it works or it doesn't. So that's 5 cuts. This should be square. I'm going to get my square and have a look at it. See how square it is. I need my calipers. I mean, it looks dead square. I can't see any light coming through there. Oh. Maybe I was wrong. It'd be interesting to see. Why am I breathing so heavy? So that's 34.14. Let me see. I want to do it so on the top here it's exactly 34. Bottom part. Okay. So that's 35.9. It's 2 millimeters difference from this side to this side. Okay. That's quite a lot. It looked like it was square. So maybe I'll do the test again one more time. Because to make sure I didn't do a mistake. I don't want to say it's shit without actually doing a proper test. Because I did some mistakes in the start. Okay. On the next one more time. This time make sure I don't do any too tight. I'm just checking that there's no give in the saw blade. So what I'm doing is tightening it so much I can't move it good, and loosening it until there's hardly any, so there's less friction. Okay, well, let's do this one more time properly, I guess. Now, one more time. this time, 0 with calipers just in case. No, it's not. I did not do any small mistakes on the cuts. Not that I noticed. Maybe some of you guys did. But let's see what I got here. So it's 41.22. 41.22. Right. So 41.15, let's try it again, check. On top. Dead. So 41.23. That's 41.22. And now you're gonna have. So it's 0.15 millimeters difference from top to bottom. Let me get my phone out and see what that's in inches. So 0.15 millimeters to so that's 0.0059 inches difference. I mean, I wonder, that's so small difference. It's such a small difference. I mean, when I got to 2 millimeters, but it could be just that I hadn't tightened up the track saw properly. I guess it's square enough. I mean, 1/100th of the inch difference. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, anyway. I wish I had something to compare it to. I mean, I wish I had the Festool to compare it to. But I don't. And I'm not buying a Festool because they're way too expensive. So I guess it's good enough for me to use. Yeah, that's my conclusion. After I should have kept tightened that up before, so I didn't get mixed up or did a bad measurement. Because 0.15 millimeters is not. I mean, And I'm not going to do the trigonometry on that, but it's good enough. I should have figured out what I consider square before I did the test. But I think if it been double, it would be 0.3 millimeters. Okay. That's good enough for me. Yeah, so that's definitely good enough. Yeah. That's over about 30 centimeters, a foot difference. Okay, boomers. If you like my small tool reviews, say so in the comments, because it's fairly easy content, and I'm trying to find tools that will I have to have in my small workshop at the house. So I have to find tools that do not take a lot of space. I can build out and use and put back. So I'm going to share. I have some more tools I'm going to do a review on. But anyway, keep booming, boomers, and remember, boomers unite.